to you. What I need is energy I once knew. All these voices stuck inside of my head.